All right, everyone, welcome back. Get ready, because today we're diving into the world of Excel.
And more specifically, we're going to be focusing on one super cool feature.
Keyboard shortcuts.
Yes, keyboard shortcuts. They can really be a game changer when it comes to, well, pretty much any kind of computer work.
Absolutely. And we found this really interesting snippet of text that highlights a particularly useful shortcut for Excel users.
F11.
Exactly, F11. And even if you think you know your way around Excel, I guarantee you're going to learn something new today. This deep dive is all about streamlining your workflow and making you an Excel powerhouse.
It's true.
Okay, so let's talk about this magical F11 key. What does it do?
Well, imagine this. You're staring at a spreadsheet, rows and rows of numbers, and you want to make sense of it all visually.
Happens all the time.
Right. And instead of clicking through menus and options, you simply hit F11.
Boom. Like magic.
Exactly. A chart appears. Just like that, your data is transformed into a clear visual representation.
Okay, I have to admit, I'm already impressed. I mean, I use Excel all the time, and I always go through the whole chart creation process. This F11 thing sounds like a serious time saver.
Oh, it definitely is. Especially for anyone who works with data regularly. Think about it. You're in a meeting, you need to quickly show some trends, maybe some sales figures.
You don't want to be fumbling around with menus while everyone's waiting.
Exactly. You hit F11 and bam, you have a chart ready to present. Professional and efficient.
I'm starting to feel like I've been wasting so much time. But okay, let's back up a bit. There are already quite a few ways to create charts in Excel, right?
Sure, you can go through the Insert tab, use the menus, even drag and drop, all valid options.
So what makes F11 so special?
It's the simplicity, the pure speed of it. One keystroke, and you have a basic chart ready to go. No clicking, no searching through menus, just instant visualization.
And speaking of basic charts, our source mentions something really important about customizing the chart after using F11.
Oh, absolutely. It's not like you're stuck with whatever default chart pops up. Think of F11 as giving you a foundation, a starting point.
Right, like a blank canvas.
Exactly. From there, you can go into the chart tools, which you'll find in the ribbon at the top of your Excel window, and you can customize to your heart's content.
Okay, so walk me through this. What kind of customizations are we talking about?
Pretty much anything you can think of.
Yeah.
You can change the chart type. So if you don't want a basic bar chart, you can switch it to a pie chart, a line chart, a scatter plot, whatever suits your data best. You can change the colors, add labels, adjust the axes.
So you're not sacrificing any control by using F11. You still have all those options.
Precisely. It's about combining speed with flexibility. You get the quick chart creation of F11, and then you can easily tailor it to fit your specific needs and make it look exactly the way you want.
I'm starting to see the power of this. It's like, sometimes you just need that quick visual snapshot of your data to understand what's going on,
Yeah.
and then you can refine it from there.
Right, and that's what separates the casual Excel user from the power user.
Hmm.
It's not just about knowing the shortcuts, it's about knowing how to quickly customize and fine-tune your results.
So let's bring this to life with a real-world example. Let's say we're tracking monthly sales data.
Perfect. You've got all these numbers in a spreadsheet, but it's hard to get a sense of the bigger picture just by looking at them.
Right, is it trending up, trending down? Are there any seasonal patterns?
Exactly. But with F11, you select that sales data, hit the key, and boom, you instantly see a chart that shows you those trends. Maybe it's a nice steady increase in sales, or maybe there's a dip in the summer months.
Insights you might have completely missed if you were just staring at the numbers.
It's like suddenly being able to see the forest instead of just individual trees.
I love that analogy. It really highlights the power of visualization. And F11 makes that visualization so easy and accessible. Okay, so to wrap things up, we've learned that F11 is basically a secret weapon for anyone who works with Excel. It lets you create charts instantly, saving you tons of time and effort, and then you can easily customize those charts to fit your exact needs.
It's a must-know shortcut for anyone who wants to take their Excel skills to the next level.
Absolutely. And, this deep dive into F11 makes me wonder about all the other amazing shortcuts hiding within Excel, just waiting to be discovered.
Right. There's a whole world of efficiency waiting to be unlocked. So, to our listeners out there, I challenge you to go explore, experiment, and find those shortcuts that can supercharge your workflow. You might be surprised at what you discover.
And who knows, maybe we'll even do a whole deep dive on some other cool Excel shortcuts in the future.
Sounds like a plan. I'm in.
All right, everyone, that's it for today's deep dive. Until next time, happy excelling.
Happy excelling.